Hello dear students, let us solve a numerical problem related to the equation of motion. The question is, an object is dropped from the top of a tower of height 156.8 meter, and at the same time another object is thrown vertically upwards with velocity 78.1 meter per second from the foot of tower. When and where the two objects meet? Here, suppose this is tower, its height is given to be 156.8 meters. From point A, an object 1 is dropped from rest downwards, and at the same time another object from the foot of tower is thrown vertically upwards with velocity 78.1 meter per second. Then we have to find the position and time when both meet. Means, suppose solution, suppose both objects meet at point C. Means this is coming down and this is going up, both meet at this position. If this height is h1 and this height is h2, then h2 will be equal to h minus h1. For object 1 from A to C, h1 will be equal to ut plus half gt square, means h1 is equal to ut plus half gt square. U is 0, so this will be half gt square. Suppose this is equation 1. In the same time, object 2 is also reaching at C, and for object 2 from B to C, because it is moving upwards, we will take minus g. Therefore, h2 will be equal to u1 t minus half gt square. Minus is taken due to upward motion. We can replace this. We can replace this half gt square by h1. Now, we can replace half gt square by h1. So, h2 will be equal to u is or u1 into t minus h1 from equation 1, or but h2 is h minus h1. Therefore, h minus h1 will be equal to u1t minus h1. This h1 cancels h1. Therefore, t will be equal to h upon u1. H is 156.8, u1 is 78.1. So, time nearly 2 seconds. Therefore, from equation 1, h1 will be equal to 1 by 2 into g into 2 square, means 20 meter. So, the two balls or two objects will meet at point C, where h1 is 20 meter and time is 2 seconds. So both objects meet 2 seconds later at height h1 below A.